In this video, we're going to talk about inventory transfers. There's a variety of ways to move inventory in Legendary Supply Chain. You can move inventory using the standard inventory move component, which allows you to, on desktop or mobile, scan and move inventory. Or you can use, if you're shipping things between warehouses, a shipping note and a stock requisition to request those items be shipped and then received at the destination warehouse. You can also just update inventory with a list view or directly on the inventory if you have permission. Now we also have another vehicle which we are calling inventory transfers, which is a type of inventory log, which allows for inventory to be moved whenever an inventory log has been completed. So let's look at this inventory log. Again, this is inventory log of type inventory transfer. I'm going to go select the inventory I wish to move. I'm going to say this move has been completed. This is a non-serialized item. I'm going to move 5 of the 14, I believe, that are in here. So let's see, on this inventory record, on my inventory 51, we have 14 in Legendary Supply Chain receiving. Let's say I'm going to move 5 of them to my Texas warehouse in the finished goods floor location 1. And this is going to automatically split this lot, create a new inventory, and move it into this bin. So now I can save this. And this is going to automatically fire because that operation status was complete. I could have moved it to pending or review or any type of approvals I may want to put in place. And that would have completed there as well. And then this item is going to complete, and I can see my move that just occurred here. And I can see now I have my new lot of inventory 57 that was created for the quantity 5. And I still have my original referenced inventory here for the original inventory, which we pulled from the 51, and we split 5 out. And this inventory has now been updated to its new location, which I can already see there is the Texas warehouse in the finished goods floor 1 location. Now let's do this again, and let's move a serialized item this time. So I'm going to search for a serialized inventory. So we'll use this serialized item, which is also in receiving. I'm going to put this one to complete this time. My quantity, because the item is serialized, will of course be 1. And we'll move this one to floor location 2. And you can see here, using inventory transfers, I can move items within a warehouse or outside of the warehouse that the item is currently in. Now this move will not have been complete, so this one is pending, so the move would not have executed yet. I can see it is still in Legendary Supply Chain warehouse. So now if this were to be edited, either by a user or systematically via a flow or any other automation, and move this to complete, then the operation will now update to completed, and I can see this inventory has in fact been updated to the Texas warehouse. And so this is just a brief overview of another vehicle to move inventory within Legendary Supply Chain application. Inventory logs for performing inventory transfers is very helpful if you want the type of reporting where you can see in one place the original location prior to the move and then the destination location after the move. It's also a very nice tool for using integrations or flows in order to move inventory and have a log of all of those moves in one place with the origin and destination in one record. Now this will of course, whenever you move the inventory, post the standard change history logs where we can see the locations that it moved from and it moved to, which are still creating. So you'll still be able to have that traceability in trending reporting for your warehouses and your storage bin locations of all of the locations this inventory has been and is going to. And so then here I can see that this was when it was originally received via PO and then we can also see when it was moved from this location into this location. So we have both the inventory log, which is one record showing you from the origin and destination bin location, and we have our inventory movement history where I can see all the changes that have occurred and those ins and outs for this inventory as well. So again, this is a video that's overviewing inventory transfers within the Legendary Supply Chain application. Thank you for watching.